Hello friends, today's agenda is to showcase you how do we send a message from UiPath to our Slack channel via webhooks. For this, we have to go to the Slack API page. So I'm opening my browser. I'm searching for Slack API. So I'll be going to the Slack API page, going to your apps over here. Since I have already created an app, but I'm going to show you how you have to do it from the scratch. I'll click on create new app from scratch. I'll select this and I'll give a name. So I'll give a name as automation squad, and I'll pick up my workspace. So I've already created, if you can see, I have already created a workspace with name as automation. uh, so let me create an app. Once I have created the app, you will see this page. So since we are sending a message via webhook, so I have to ensure that incoming webhooks is enabled. I'll enable this incoming webhooks, and I have to, so which channel I am going to post a message, I have to create a webhook URL. For that, I'll be clicking on add new webhook to our workspace. So here it will be asking me to select a channel. So I have created a channel RPA. I'll be pushing. So under my workspace automation, I have created a channel RPA, and I am going to push the messages from UiPath via webhook to RPA channel under automation workspace. I am going to click on allow. Once you have done this, you will be able to see a webhook URL. You have to take a copy of it, but prior to that, there are few things which have to be done on UiPath. I have opened the UiPath Studio. Go to manage packages. Please install this package uipath.webapi.activities. If you click on official and you search with web API, you will be able to find this package. uh, and for this, as this package uh, provide us with so this package provide us with the HTTP request methods. So I am going to pull a HTTP request activity, and since this is a post request, so for sending a message, we would be it's a post request, and the URL which I showed you, the URL which I have copied, would be a endpoint over here. It's a post request, and authentication no, so nothing else. I'm going to click on OK. Now what all things I have to change is um, body format. I'll be providing the body in the JSON format, so I'll be changing it from XML to JSON, and here in the body I'll be providing, so it's in a JSON format where the key would be text, and value is whatever we want to send. So let's say hello from UiPath is the message which I want to send. But since I have to escape these double quotes, I will be so I'm putting, so if you see, I'm able to escape the double quotes, and so I'll be sending this message hello from the UiPath, and I have to, so status code should always be 200. So so right now if I show you, you can see added an integration to this channel. So automation squad, the app which I created, is being added over here in the RPA channel, and by the steps which we followed. And now I'm going to run it. Let's see if it pushes message over here. So status code is 200. Let's see, hello from UiPath. So this way you can send a message from UiPath to the Slack channel via webhooks, and you can so this would be pretty useful in case so usually in automations, when you are intimating the business user, you can either, usually you will send a mail, but this is also a good alternative. If you have a Slack channel dedicated with your business user or the power users, you can send them a message saying okay, the process completed successfully. So it's pretty useful in this case. Hope you would have liked the video. Thank you so much for your time.